Hello everyone, we are talking about the reflection of the light on a plane surface. Here we have taken a mirror. In this post I would like to show keeping the object fixed. If I have turned the mirror by an angle theta, the corresponding image of the object turns by an angle 2 theta, or the reflected light turns by an angle 2 theta. So let us consider a plane mirror like I have shown in the diagram. Let us imagine this is the incident light. This is the incident light. Whenever this has to be straight lines, right? Maybe my system is not supporting to draw the exact straight lines, but you draw exact straight lines. This is the incident light. This point is called something like point of incidence, and if I draw a perpendicular line, that is called something like normal. The angle, so I am calling it like normal. I am calling it like normal 1. This angle, the angle between incident ray and the normal, is called the angle of incidence. Now the light ray reflects back into the same medium, just like this, in such a way that angle of reflection is also angle of incidence. Up to here everything is fine. Now I would like to turn the medium by an angle theta, turn the mirror by an angle theta. Let us see what happens if I have turned it. Now you can see I have drawn with a white dotted lines that the mirror position is turned by an angle theta. So this is the new position of the mirror, but I am not changing the incident light rate. As the incident light ray is not changed but the mirror is changed, the normal will automatically change. This is the new normal that we are considering. Because the mirror is changed, the perpendicular angle also changes. So this is nothing but equal to our normal 2, right? As the mirror is turned by an angle theta, the normal is also automatically turned by the same angle theta. As I said, this entire angle is I earlier. Now the normal is shifted towards the left by an angle theta. So the angle between the incident light ray and the new normal automatically becomes I minus theta. Now as the new angle of incidence is I minus theta, new angle of reflection also has to become I minus theta. So this is the first reflected light ray. I am going to get a new reflected light ray like this. Incident light ray is not changed, you might have got it, right? So this is the reflected light ray 2. It is reflected in such a way that with the new normal, the reflected light ray is also going to make an angle equal to angle of incidence, that is nothing but equal to I minus theta. Now I would like to know by how much this reflected light ray is turned. This angle, I am interested in calculating this angle x. So let me repeat what I am doing, right? There is an incident light ray. The angle of incidence with the incident light ray is nothing but equal to I, like we have shown earlier. This is the basic angle of incidence, that is totally I. The reflected light ray is the first one. That angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection is nothing but equal to I. Now we have turned the mirror by an angle theta like we have shown. As the mirror is turned by an angle theta, the normal also is turned by an angle theta. Thus as the incident light ray remains the same, because I am not changing the object, with the new normal, the same incident light ray makes an angle I minus theta. Therefore angle of reflection changes, that means reflected light ray also changes. This is our new reflected light ray. So the angle between the new normal and the new reflected light ray is again I minus theta. So it is very clear that the reflected light ray is turned by an angle x. I want to calculate what is that value of x is equal to. I would like to say the value of that x is equal to this total angle. If you look at the diagram, this total angle is nothing but equal to I. minus this angle, if I call that angle as y, I would like to say the total angle is nothing but equal to I minus y, where what is the value of that y I am interested in calculating. What's the value of this y? I would like to say this y is nothing but this total angle minus this angle. Hope you are getting it right. This y is nothing but equal to this total angle minus this angle. So, y is nothing but equal to this total angle is nothing but equal to I minus theta minus this angle is nothing but equal to theta. So, the y value is nothing but equal to I minus 2 theta. Substituting in the above equation to get the angle between the two reflected light rays, I minus y, y is nothing but again I minus 2 theta, y is nothing but equal to, as we have proved, I minus 2 theta, that is nothing but equal to I minus I plus 2 theta. So, x is nothing but equal to 2 theta, which tells you that if you turn the mirror by an angle theta, keeping the object same, the corresponding image or the reflected light ray turns by an angle, image turns by angle 2 theta. Thank you. See you back in the next videos.